Hi everyone, my name is Yuri and this is the second part of my series where I'm rebuilding my website in WebStudio, which I originally created in Webflow. Here's what our first tab looks like, which we built in the first video. Now it's time to work on the second tab. It's empty for now, so let's get started. As before, we'll begin by structuring the blocks. First, I'll remove the default paragraph that's already there and add a new box. This box will act as a wrapper for all the content inside this tab. I'll name it tab bio, and within it I'll create two blocks, left and right. In the left block I'll add an image, and in the right block I'll include several paragraphs. Now I'm adding the first paragraph, copying the text from my old design, pasting it here, and immediately assign it a class. This way, when I duplicate the paragraph later, the class and styles will automatically be applied. With the structure in place, we can move on to styling. First, I'll select the main wrapper of the tab and set its height to 100 VH minus 6 rem, just like in the first tab. For the left block, I'll give it 50% width. The right block will have a vertical flex layout, centered both horizontally and vertically. Next, I'll style the image. I'll stretch its parent block to 100% high and apply flex blocks to center the image within it. Now I'll adjust the image itself to fill the entire screen by setting its height and width to 100%. I already have the image ready in my gallery, so I'll select it. As you can see, the image is slightly misaligned. To fix this, I use the object fit cover property to ensure it scales properly while maintaining its proportions. I'll also add a subtile border radius to the image for a polished look. To create some breathing room, I'll add 1 rem margin at the top of the tab. The next on the right side is currently too close to the image, so I'll fix that by setting the left and right margins to auto. This will ensure the text block stays perfectly centered. Next, I'll style the paragraphs by removing any unnecessary margins. I prefer to control spacing using the parent flex container. I'll add a gap for consistent spacing and apply a bottom border to the paragraphs. I'm not too focused on the colors yet, those will be finalized later. Using gap in the flexbox container makes it easy to manage spacing between elements. Now I'll copy over the rest of the paragraphs from my old design. While doing this, I noticed an issue. For some reason the paragraphs weren't aligned properly. The issue was caused by a flexbox property applied to the paragraph itself. Once I remove it, the paragraphs behaved as expected and displayed nicely in a single line. For the last paragraph, I'll remove the bottom border by applying local styles directly to it. This was quick and didn't require creating additional combo classes like in Webflow. Now let's take a look at the result. I'm skipping the mobile version for now and focusing on the desktop layout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave the comment. See you in the next part. Bye bye.